Ranger ETX, an all-new addition to the hardest-working, smoothest-riding Ranger lineup. Customers' main reasons for buying the Ranger ETX are its dependable, high performance, brand quality, and its great price. Compared to the Ranger 570, Ranger ETX has all the same great two-passenger features, but offers the ProStar 31 horsepower engine versus 44 horsepower. Plus, the ETX comes at a lower MSRP to make it the ultimate value utility side-by-side. Its new electronic fuel injection system allows for dependability in cold weather, as well as superior fuel economy. Ranger ETX features class-leading 1,000-pound payload and 1,500-pound towing capacity, plus a standard 2-inch receiver, allowing you to handle the toughest jobs. The industry-exclusive ProFit cab allows you to easily accessorize your vehicle in a matter of minutes to suit your riding or work demands. Compared to the Ranger 570, Ranger ETX has all the same great two-passenger features, but at a lower MSRP. Ranger ETX. Are you ready for yours?